Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back for phonics on day 2 of learning the oi sound. Yesterday we learned that fun song we sang with the oi, oi, oi song, and you are more than welcome to go back and listen to that again. It was on YouTube, and it was in yesterday's lesson that I also put on YouTube as well. Okay, so today we're going to start in with reviewing that this is a coin, and the oi sound is in the middle of coin, so it's spelled with an O and an I. This is a boy, and the OI is spelled with the OY. I'm sorry, the OI sound is spelled with the letters O and Y when it's at the end of a word. So let's go ahead, now that we know that, and read this poem. If you look at the picture in the poem, we see two boys that have a coin and a toy robot. And they're talking about a new toy. So that's the picture of, this poem. The title of this poem is called New Toy. So let's read this together. Who will enjoy this noisy toy? Roy and Troy have to decide. Let's toss a coin and see who wins. Why not share it? Roy replied. So the boys have this robot and they're trying to decide who gets to play with it and keep it. But can't they share? I hope you're sharing with your brothers and sisters and parents as well. Now I'd like you to go back and read about Roy and Troy's new toy all by yourself. I'll point to the words and you read them. Very good job, boys. This last word, replied, means said. It's just another way of saying that he answered him, that Roy was answering Troy's question. Troy said, let's toss a coin and see who wins. Why not share it? Roy answered or replied. Now we've got a fun word sort. We're going to listen to some words and listen for what sounds they have. If they have the ah sound that we learned a few weeks ago, like in ball, or the sound like in the middle of book, or ow that we learned in house, or the one we're working on this week, the oi sound as in boy. So this word is chalk. Chalk. Is it ah like in ball, like in book, ow as in house, or oi as in boy? Ch, ah, but that's the same. Chalk. So ball and chalk have that ah sound in the AL spelling pattern. Wait a minute, AL, this one has the same spelling pattern, so where would that go? Yeah, you're right. Ball, chalk, hall. Yeah, same thing, ball, hall. All right, this one, the word is sound. That's one of our sight words, sound. So we're listening for the ow sound. But all, no. But no. Ow, house, sound. Yeah, they both have that ow sound. All right, let's just check and make sure we were right. Boy, oi, ow. Nope, it's got to be here with house and sound. All right, now we have the word foot, foot. Would that go with the ah and ball? No. Would it go with and book, foot? Yep, that sounds pretty good to me. Let's just check it. Foot, house? Nope. Foot, boy? No. How about spoil? Spoil. Ooh, that's the oi sound. Where's that one going to go? We've been learning it. Yeah, over here with the OY or the OI, like in boy. Here's one, mouth. Mouth, mouth. But all, no. But no. Ow, mouth. Yep, that's the same vowel sound. All right, but oil, boil. Oh, we know where that one goes, don't we? Boil. That's kind of like boy, boy, boil. All right, the color brown. Brown. Ow. So which one of these was ow? But all, no. But no. House. Yep, here we go. Brown house. Boy. Brown. No, not the same. All right, thought. Thought. But all, no. But thought. But that could work. House. Thought. No. House. Thought. But oi. Thought. I think that's going to be right here, like in book. And the box isn't quite big enough, so the T went down to the next line, but this is the whole word of thought. Okay? All right. We've got two more words. Wait a minute. Yep, book. How about toy? Where would toy go? Toy, ball. Nope, they don't sound the same. Toy, book. Nope. Toy, house. No. Toy, boy. Yep, there we go. All right, crook. Uh-oh. A crook is like a robber. Like cops and robbers. A robber in that game would be a crook. So we have ball, but all, crook. No. Book, crook. Yep, there we go. All right, boys and girls, nice job. Why don't you take a bow like we talked about yesterday for working so hard? All right, we're going to read, we're going to read some more words. Good Lord, Mrs. Justice is having a hard time with the mouse today. All right, so remember when we see the O-I or O-Y, what sound do we have to say? Yeah, the oi sound. So ready? Oil. Foil, like aluminum foil we use in cooking. Oil, toil. That means to work hard. Are you toiling on your words today? I hope you are. Soy, soy. Soy is something we eat like soy sauce in our Japanese food or Chinese food. And here's one more. Moist, moist. That means when something's a little wet, it might be damp or moist. So foil, soil, and moist all have that oi sound in the middle of the word. And they're all spelled with, let's look, O-I, O-I, O-I. So we know the O-I sound says oi in the middle of a word. And O-Y is at the end, like in the word soy. So right now, boys and girls, we're going to practice writing some of these words. So I need you to pause the video and while you're paused it, go get something to write with. Pencil, paper, chalk, crayon, marker, colored pens, doesn't matter what it is, go get something to write with and then restart the video. All right, now we're going to practice hearing and writing words with the oi sound. One of the words I wrote for you yesterday, and I hope you have a picture of it in your brain, the word is point. Point. As a teacher, I'm having to point to lots of places on our video today. So point. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word point? I heard a P. So let me click over to my pen here. Here we go. Point. Oint. Oi. How are we going to write that oi sound in the middle of a word? Yep, we just did a whole bunch of them. That's going to be an O and an I. Point. And the last one, you're right, will be a T. So go ahead and practice. Pause the video for a second, and I want you to write it 3 times, the word point. Take a picture in your brain. Ka-chink. And now pause it and write it 3 times. Go! All right, welcome back, boys and girls. The next word we're going to write is toy. I'm sure you want to have some time to play with a toy today. So let's get writing with the word toy. Are you ready? Toy. And then how do we have the oi sound at the end of a word? Oh, what? O-Y, toy. Very good. So you're going to write this 3 times as well. So take a picture in your brain, like a camera, and now write that word toy. Toy. All right, let's see. Welcome back. Is that how you spelt the words? If you did it correctly, you're great. Keep going. If not, pause it and let's practice those words some more. You might have to back up the video a little bit to practice some more, but that's okay. You could do that. All right, let's go on and review some of our sounds of our blends that we've learned this year in first grade, because you really need to know these for second grade. Ready? Bl, cl, fl, gl, pl, sl, br, cr, dr, fr, gr, pr, tr, like in truck. All right, so this is aluminum foil. Foil. What medial or middle sound do you hear in the middle of the word foil? So I heard, let me switch to pen. Oi. In the middle of the word would be what? O-I, foil. Good, very good. And two letters, O and I, say the oi sound in the middle of a word. All right, let's do some more blends. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, sw, sk, sp, st, nd, ng, nt, nk. All right, let's see if I can trick you since we got away from the oi sounds for a minute. This cake is not dry, it is moist. Moist. First of all, how many syllables are in the word? Clap it. Moist. I only heard one syllable. Hope you did too. What is the initial and medial sound you hear? So, oh, we know what letter that is. That would be a m. Moist. Oi in the middle of a word is what letters? You're right. O and I. Moist. And we just went over that blend. You know that one. S and T. Great job, rock stars. All right, next one. 3-letter blends. Are you ready? Let's go. Scr, spl, spr, squ, str. All right, we're going to come back to the oi sound again. He is not a girl. He is a boy. What final sound do you hear at the end of the word boy? B, oi. Yep, I hear oi too. And what two letters make that sound at the end of a word? Oi. Oh. Why? Did I trick you? I hope not. All right, now we're going to play with some sounds a little bit. Whisper the word can. Can. If you change the a sound to oi, what new word would you make? So you would have k, oin. What word would that be? Coin. Yeah, you have to you have to have money like a coin to buy things like ice cream when we get back to school. So coin. All right, quick one. Let's go over some more digraphs. K, ch, sh, th, w. And now come back again. This is an old toy. What sound do you hear, final sound do you hear at the end of the word toy? I heard oi. I hope you did too. Oi. How are we going to write it? What two letters make that sound at the end of a word? We know it's going to be an O because it's always an O, and then oi. I heard a Y there too. Good job, toy. All right, boys and girls, we did some reading and some writing of oi words. Tomorrow we're going to read a story with the oi words, and we're also going to do some more writing. So when you start your video, be ready with something to write with, okay? Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.